today topic is how to use this the partner login and how effective it is. So I hope all you know our website, that is www.smartofficesuite.in and smartofficepayroll.com. These are the two websites. So we have started our organization in 2014 with the attendance, and in 2016 we have come up with a payroll, and now we are into attendance, payroll, and HRMS. So you can go to our website. This is our attendance website, that is www.smartofficesuite.in. This is our website. This is our attendance website. So if you have any want to download the set of exe files for desktop web application, and if you have any concerns, like you can go for the FAQs. We have support FAQs, and also we have customer details over here, and also you have a contact list of region-wise team members. Okay. So this is our attendance website, and now coming to this payroll website, that is smartofficepayroll.com. This is our payroll website. So you can just just have a glance over it. You'll be come to know the features in detail, and also you can go for the clientele list of both payroll and attendance clientele list. So, and we do have a YouTube channel also, that is Smart Office 365 Payroll, for the latest updates or feature updates in Smart Office application, or the webinar session that has been recorded and uploaded and published in this YouTube channel. So further, if you want to do any setup of web application or desktop application, or you want to configure the leave management, shift management, on every topic we have done a webinar session, and that is already uploaded, and we are going to upload it in this YouTube channel. Please subscribe for this, so that you can come to know and about the feature, and you can fix it from your side only. So let's quickly move on to this today's topic, that is how to make use of this channel partner login, and what all the features that are available with us. So if you are a dealer, if you are a channel partner who is dealing with a biometric machine, CC cameras, or security kind of stuffs, so especially the dealers of biometric machines. So there may be a ESSL or a Biomax, because we do support for both Biomax and ESSL devices. So if you are the channel partner, if you are the dealers of biometric machine, then this is one of the best option best feature you can make use of it for your client purpose. Okay. So this is our website, that is www. So almost all of you have registered here in this. If you are a channel partner, you have to register here. So those who haven't registered, so please register here as a channel partner. So this is a website where you need to register you as a channel partner. So we can call them as a verified or authenticated channel partners. Okay. So this is a website, that is www.smartofficesuite.in. So here you have a license option. So license option, as I'm already a partner, so I'll get this login page. If you're not registered yet, okay. So if you're not registered yet, as even though you are a dealer or a channel partner, just go to register here in the link. So here you will get a registration page. Okay. So first here you have to type your partner company name. Okay. And then your company name, the password which you want to set it, and your contact number. Okay. Your contact number and your official email address and your website. And your company name and your GST number. So select your state, and while registering, so please do select this user type. because so it is easier for us to track you and send you a response, proper response. See, whenever you register here, we will get automatic emails to respond to your registrations. So please select the user tag properly. So usually if you are a dealer, then just select the dealer. If you are a channel partner, just select it as a dealer. If you are end customer, then just please select as an end user. Okay. So you please make sure that you are attaching the GST. So first you need to select the state and you need to select the user type here, and then you need to mention your district. Once you select the state, automatically you'll get the district also, and then your pin code, and also make sure that you're selecting the GST file. Okay, so this is a mandatory field, that is a GST number, and your GST certificate has to be uploaded. So once you done with this process, you need to click on register. Okay, so after that, once you are registered, you can go to the login page over here. So this is the login page of your partner login. So this is the login page. Whatever the credentials you have registered with that, so you can go for it. So username is the whatever the email ID you have mentioned, and the password which you have given. So I have just registered with my email ID and I have my password, and I'll just click on a login. So once you register, our team means we will get the smart office will get your registration details with us. Okay, so we will get the notifications. Say for example, like we will be receiving this smart emails that if you have logged into it. Okay, we will receive this kind of notifications to our email IDs. So can you see here the pop-up notification has arrived when I logged in here. So this is this is just show you that how benefit it is if you are a channel partner. So whatever we want to intimate you, whatever the intimation we have to send you about our webinar sessions or any upcoming features or any sessions, you will just receive this pop-up notification whenever you are logging into the your registered panel. So see, since we have here webinars are going on and what topics and everything has been displayed whenever as soon as you get login into this channel partner portal. Okay, so here this is my channel partner. So whenever you are registering, after the registering, it has to be authenticated. Okay, so I'll just include the steps of how the authentication process is done. So once you register, then automatically the smart office team will receive the notification of your details. Later, we used to send them the response for the authentication purpose, like their full details, and then if they are really authenticated dealers, like we will come to know from the regional sales manager, the RSM, or the websites. So we will come to know, and later we are going to authenticate them and we are going to enable their partner login. So the thing is, after your authenticated and after we enable the account, then only you will be used to then only you will be then only you can generate your license key. Okay, so I'll just tell you like what all the benefits you have if you register as a channel partner here. So first thing is you can generate the free license. Okay, so we have given the limitations for the dealers, for employees, and for the users, and for the dealers. So if you are the registered dealers and authenticated dealers, once we enable your partner login from the backend, then what are the benefits you will get? So you will be get a free license for up to certain limit. So that limitation will be, and you should we since we support the Biomax and ESSL devices, so you have to have only the this branded machines only, that is Biomax and ESSL machines. So you will get a certain limit, that is say of devices 10, biometric machines 10, and then users of 3000 employees. So you can generate the license key for up to free license key for up to 3000 employees and 10 devices. So here you have an option of generate license. So just click on generate license. Just mention the company name of your client. So not yours company name, just write a company name of your client and location of that particular client, and staff count for how many employees you are going to generate the license key, and device count, and what product you are going to select over here. So if it is a smart attendance, then just click on smart attendance. Okay. So only in some cases, if they want only the push data collector services for the third party integration, because they are not using our whole attendance management, they are only using the smart attendance push services, means only for the third party integration. In that cases, just select the push data services. And ESS, as ESS application is not free, so it will give you it will take you to the payment gateway once if you select the ESS. So if it is only attendance, then just select attendance if you are using desktop. Okay. This license key you can generate for the desktop application and for web application for a free limit of 10 devices and 3000 employees. Okay. So here you can mention all these details and just give right, enter the activation code, and then here you can select the software type. Whether if it is a desktop device, just select the Smart Office Suite. If it is a web application, then just select the web application, and database type. So you know that by default we have the databases of MS Access for desktop application. Huh. MS desktop application for MS Access, and then you have a SQL for web application. Then you can click on new license, and then you can go for the generating. So if you are authenticated dealer, you can generate the license key for free limit, and then you can come here and generate the license key. So then, so once you will be receiving a license key to your registered email IDs. Okay, so I'll just show you an example like how you are going to receive the license key here. So this is how you are going to receive the license key to your registered email IDs. So this is one of the benefits that a channel partner can have. So next, coming to my license options. So my license option, you can see for how many employees like your partner. So you'll come to know this, your license key issue, your partners. So how many of my partners have taken up the license scheme, and since I'm the user of this region, so I'll come to know who has generated the license key. Okay, so even I'll come to know my partners also here from here. So how many partners I have. So then this is the one of the use that you can generate the license key. And if you want to create a cloud account for your client, so that also you can do it. Okay, just go to creating of the cloud account and type the email address. See whatever the specification if you're going to mention, then you can mention your client here. Okay, so here you go to create cloud account and click on this option if you want to create the cloud account to your employees and then to your partners. So just write down the email address. So you can give an email address of the client, or you can give an email address of your company only, but it should be a unique one, because you'll get the notifications and everything. So for from one email ID you can create a one cloud account. So since it should be a unique, so you have to either you can give a your client email ID and the mobile number and the responsible person and the domain name. So the domain name from the name of that cloud account should have, and the password, and you can mention the remark. So when you just sign up, then you will be created a cloud account for your clients. So this is how you can create a cloud account. And once you create a cloud account, you'll be able to track your cloud subscribe cloud accounts which you have created. See, I'll just click on my cloud account. So I'll come to know the for which clients I have created my cloud account here. For all those who have created the cloud account, I'll get to know in this option, that is my cloud accounts, so that it is easy to track for you. And also it is easy to track for us, since we will be having the admin portal. So as soon as you create a cloud account from your partner login, you'll come to know it is easy to track for us also. Okay, so you can create a cloud account from your partner login. In future, we will be able to identify the client. Suppose in any of the cases, if the end customers, for those who have created the cloud account, right? So in case if if the end customer approaches or for the support or for any concern, then we can track it. Okay, because since we are not supposed to support the end customers directly, it is a dealer responsibility customers. So in future, is the dealers, because when if they are the cloud users, then we can just track them. So we will come to know that. So yes, the so and so dealer has generated so and so dealer has created a cloud account for them, and will we can intimate to you that so and so customer is contacting us for the support or for the renewal, whatever, so that we can contact us directly. Okay, and then any notification if you want to send or if you want to post it, or any notification stating that our pricing updated pricing policies or free limits, if we have increased the free limits, then that all will be sent to the registered email IDs. So once you registered with us, we will be having all the channel partner email IDs and contact number with us. So whenever we want to send any updates, or whenever we want to send any notification stating any offers or any free limits extension, or any since the webinars are going on now, so we have sent all the webinar session registration link to all the channel partners email IDs and also to all the broadcastings, that is from their phone number. So better we can just intimate our new updated pricing policy, because some will say that we haven't received any updates. So if you are registered with us, surely you will get a updated price policies to your registered email IDs. And in future, we are going to support for only the registered channel partners. So we are going to authenticate and we are going to give the support to only the verified and registered email ID in future. So and also we can send any WhatsApp message or any intimation, as I said, since social media is more effective nowadays. So we will just trigger all the emails or any messages if we want to send. We'll send it to all your WhatsApp number, any intimations or any wishes. So we can directly approach you through the WhatsApp also. So this can be sent only to the registered and verified dealers. So, and if you are a channel partner, the thing is you can have all your client data in one place. So this is my email, this is my login. So I can have my all, see in my cloud account, I can have all my clients data in a single place. So you no need to worry, and you know no need to go and check your emails that for how many cloud accounts I have created, this and that, and for how many clients I have given the license key. So that all data you can have it at one place only. So you can check all the license keys. You can check all the cloud account created by you. So, and also please make sure you are generating the license key for the Biomax and the ESSL machine also, because since we don't support for the ZK machines, so we will be not giving the license key for the ZK machines. So automatically it will be blocked if you are generating the license key for ZK machines. So as I explained you the registration process also, like how to register, you have to just go to www.smartofficesuite.in. That is our website. And how to this is our website, www.smartofficesuite.in, and then just go to license and then just click on registration. If you are not registered, if you are already registered, then just click on the login. So, and also if you have purchased it with us, that also my orders. Suppose if you have purchased anything for the more number of, or for unlimited employees and for unlimited devices, and since the cloud account is a paid one, so we are offering limited charges for the dealers. So you can check in my orders if you have paid through the website itself. So you can just check in it in my orders. You can generate the license key for desktop and web application. You can create your cloud account and detailed list of your employees and your cloud account separately. And you can so once you have all this data with us, so later if it is a renewal process or anything, so it's easy to track them since you have all the data in one place. One login for all the clients. Okay, so one login, so you can have all your client details at one place. And if you have paid anything like if you have paid to the license key for, as I said, unlimited users and unlimited devices, then you can check it in my orders. So, and since this is a website, you can access it anywhere, from the mobile also you can access, from the any location and any network you can access it. And in future, within a short span of time, we will be giving you the mobile application also for this. So if you are a partner login, since this right now this website, you can access it in a website system or from the laptop only. I can say it as a web browsers. So later you will get an app for this, for the license key generation, for the cloud creation. So sooner, though, this is one of the benefit for for all our channel partners. Okay. So if you are a channel partner, just please make a note. Please make a benefit of it, so that you can generate a free license key and you can create a cloud account for your customers. So you can track your employee, your clients, your users. So if you have any doubts or if you have any concern about this channel partner, so you can raise your questions. I hope you got to know about the benefits, why I should be a partner, registered partner login. So, and it has to be, even though if you are registered, it has to be authenticated and it has to be verified. So these all things has to be carried out. So please raise your questions if you have any doubts regarding this. So one of channel partner has asked the question that once you log in, whether you'll generate a license and cloud account. As I said, once you register, once you register here, you can if after the verification, after the authentication, you are able to generate the free license for a certain limit, and you can create a cloud account to your customer. Okay. And then share the partner login URL. I already told you that is www.smartofficesuite.in. That is Smart Office SUITE.in. And there you have to go to license option. There you have to go to license option where you can register and log in into it. See, someone has asked, are you going to get a training on software as well? Yes. So already you know, so many webinar sessions we have covered up for both payroll, HRMS and attendance. So if we have any new feature, or if we hit into the market, then surely we will have these kind of webinar sessions where we are going to introduce our new features, and where we are going to explain you how it works and how the settings has to be done. I hope all of you might have joined the last webinar session where we have explained the upcoming home that is work from home feature. That is one of our new feature. We have explained it in this uh, post webinar session. And also we have explained shift management, we have explained leave management. So almost all the topics we have covered up in this webinar session. Sure, sir. You have asked for the YouTube videos link. Sure, it is as already I told you that we want the YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube channel, sir. That is Smart Office 365 Payroll. You can just go to YouTube and just search it, sir. You will get all the videos. Can you please see these videos here? So this all this, sir. Just you once you have a glance about it. So many videos we have uploaded here. All the topics, almost all the topics we have covered over here. It might be a desktop application, it might be a web application, or it might be a cloud application. So each and every topics we have covered up here. Just you can just click on the subscribe note, subscribe it, and just go for this using of this all these videos. So what is the domain name you're asking? So domain name, suppose if you want to create a cloud account for your customers, okay? So every one user will have their own domain name, right? So if how you're going to identify me by my name, right? Same way, how you're going to identify your cloud account name will be from your domain name, I can call it as. So the domain name will be like your company name. So www.smartoffice www.so365.in/smart app. This is a URL for cloud account, and where you will ask by you have to type your cloud account name. Say for example, my company name is JS Groups, or my company name is Smart Office. So I'll be creating a cloud account. So if you are a dealer, if you want to create your cloud accounts for your customer, just create the cloud account of with their company name, so that it is easy to remember and it will be a catchy, so that whenever I say yes, Smart Office, yes, so for this company, I have created the cloud account. Say for example, JS Groups. Yes, I have created the cloud account for this. So it will be like a remembering thing, and it will be a very catchy. Okay, and then once you create the cloud account, username and password. So as I said, once you create the cloud account for your clients, soon they will get a login link to the email IDs. So here you have the cloud account. So here you're going to mention a mobile number, and you are going to mention the email address. So soon you will create the cloud account for them. They will be receiving an email, how you have to access the application, the URL, and the username and password, and how to access the ESS application also. So this is the main application. This is a main application, and you have the mobile or ESS application, that is smart www.so365.in/smart app ESS. So this is a employee self-service login, where an individual employee can log in into his system and check his attendance. So this is main application of cloud. So they're asking how to get the license key for about 10 devices. As I already told you, so if you are a dealer or if you are a channel partner, we have a separate charges for the channel partners. So we are going to give you a license key for unlimited employees and unlimited devices in a very, I can say, very standard pricings only for the dealers. I hope you know our updated cloud and on-site that on-premises and cloud application updated charges. That is what. So if you are registered dealers, you'll obviously you will receive a notification, or you will receive an email saying our pricing policy, updated pricing policy. So any other questions? So sign up procedure, as already I told you, just type your cloud account name, username and password for the main application. If you are using a ESS application, then first type your cloud account name. That is, my cloud account name is Smart365G, and /username and the password. This is how you can log in into your cloud account. So I hope you come to know about partner login and how much it is useful, and how we can directly communicate to you. So, so this is how you need to register. Okay. So further, if you have any further queries, I think I'm done with all the queries here who all raised here. So further, if you want to individually contact us, or if you want individually answer to your questions, then you can just call to us to the concerned region number, or else you can just uh, drop an email, that is support@smartoffice365.in, or you can drop a mail to sales@smartoffice365 smart office sales@smartofficepayroll.com. I hope you find this webinar session was very useful. So as I said, cloud account name is to identify your cloud account domain name. As I said, how you're going to identify me? By my name, right? And how you're going to identify an organization with that cloud, with their company name. So we are going to have since it is our hosted in our server, so we are going to give that server access with their cloud account, or we can give by their domain name. So it is a kind of identification for all the clients. So that is why we create the cloud account by their company name. Sir, it is not initially, it is free for the dealers, and cloud account is not free from the start, from the starting itself. You the cloud application is a chargeable basis, and what are the charges already we have shared it in the updated price policy. So if you are the dealer and if you want to create the cloud application and if you want to know the pricing policy, just drop an email to us. So we will share you the updated pricing policy. So I hope you have our email ID. I'll just repeat my email ID uh, to know the pricing policy. So that is support@smartoffice365.in. Or you can just contact us to our specified region wise contact number. So here you have a contact details. So here is a contact details which is in our website. Just you can contact us region wise. So I hope I'm done with all the questions that has been raised by the attendees, and I think it is very useful and benefit for you. And thank you for sparing your precious time.